let's learn how to subtract in different moduli. And this symbol here represents subtraction in a specific mode. Whenever you see a negative sign inside a circle, that means you are subtracting in modular arithmetic. Now let's calculate this. Let's look at this example. 23 minus 10 in mode 6 solution. (23 minus 10). Now just like how we did in addition, we get the result here first, then change the number to a number in the specified mode. So 23 minus 10, that's 13. Now this 13, we convert it to mode 6, and to do that, we divide by 6 and pick out the remainder. 6 in 13, that gives us 2 remainder 1. So that means 13 is equivalent to the remainder 1 in mode 6. And that gives us the answer. The second example, we have 3 minus 8 in mode 2. But the first thing, we subtract first. 3 minus 8, that gives us a negative 5. Now this is a negative integer. So for us to convert this to a number in mode 2, we have to first express it as the sum of the multiple of this mode 2 plus a positive integer. And to do that, we look for the next multiple of 2 after 5. The next multiple of 2 after 5 is 6. That is, minus 5 can be expressed as minus 6 plus 1. And this minus 6 here is also the same thing as having minus 3 times 2 plus the remainder, because minus 3 times 2 here gives us back minus 6 plus 1 gives us back minus 5. So here we just pick out the remainder, the positive integer we have at the back. So this is equivalent to 1 in mode 2. And that's how to subtract in different moduli. Thank you.